how to reseal our bus windows.
Once you remove your bus windows, you're going to want to make sure to remove any caulk around the sides, get off any rust, and completely clean it and acetone it before it's ready to put on a new sealant. Now that the window's all clean, we're going to apply Rust-Oleum to any exposed metal so that we don't get any rust. After choosing which windows I want to keep, I'm going to go around, take off any loose silicone, scrub them down, acetone it, and then I'm taking these two sanders and I'm making sure there's no dirt left, just making it look a little extra nice.
We're using some 3/8" butyl tape. We're going to be running that along the top and the bottom to create a nice seal. And then once we slip that into place, we're going to be running caulk along the outside to give us a completely water-sealed window.
No amount of arm workouts have prepared me for this. That's how you...
We didn't put any caulk on yet.
Well, that'll be the last thing we do.
We'll put caulk on, but that's how you install your windows again. Follow along, because next we're sealing this big hole in our roof.